What's up, y'all? This is a camera review video. So today we have the Canon, hold on, let me get the style first. 2000D. This is a professional camera.
With a non-professional person holding it very carefully with her life.
We're gonna do a quick review, not quick I guess, but none of these videos are quick I guess. A review / tutorial on the basics of photography. So I have my quasi-photographer here today. Are you a
photographer in training?
Yeah, my photographer, my protege.
Yeah.
Yeah. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the camera on. That's the switch that turns it off and on. Yeah. We're gonna go through the modes. So that's the knob for the different modes. Right now it's in the camera mode. Each mode, if you can kind of hold it, yeah, so we can see. For night portraits, skip one.
Food is important.
Oh, that was the next one. Yeah, food, sports. Then we have the close-ups of small objects, landscape, portraits, my favorite.
Not mine.
Food is yours.
Yes.
Creative auto, the flash off mode, scene intelligent auto, my second favorite. The program with the shutter speed and the aperture are the main settings.
What I need to learn.
Yeah, we'll that's for the next kind of video, not the beginner.
I'm not there yet.
Yeah, the shutter priority, which is, intermediate photographer use, not for beginners. When you're beginner photography, you won't need to use none of this stuff like coming towards. Yeah, the aperture priority. Yeah, this is all stuff. And then you have the manual exposure. You can do this in the beginner stages of photography, depending on what kind of. Yeah. So manual exposure.
If you suck at pressing the camera button.
Yeah, we're gonna come over to this side. This AF, MF. That's the autofocus button and manual focus for the lens. This is an 18 to 55 Canon lens. Switch that like that to do a manual. Auto. So we're gonna stay on auto for this basic quick video. Keeps the video quicker.
And we'll put this back.
Yeah, you're gonna put that all. Yeah. You can put it back to which one you want to do.
Back the way.
Want to make a video?
Oh, I forgot that was video.
Yeah,
don't touch me.
Or do landscape. Or
I love landscape.
Yeah,
you ain't said nothing but a word.
let's do landscape.
Love landscape.
There you go. So
landscape and food.
just some basic knowledge of the camera. The menu button. It has various menu and picture options. Image quality. You always want to shoot raw. Better editing options. Unless you're just not going to be an editor and you're just doing it for a freelance. Excuse the background noise. We're in the trenches.
Trenches.
Yeah.
Nice trenches, but trenches.
Yeah. So just a bunch of options, but we're going to get straight to the fun part.
That was the fun part. What do you mean?
Those are pictures we already took. So.
I'm beautiful.
There you go. So what we have is live. Yeah, so that's live. This button right here goes between the screen and the viewfinder.
I like the viewfinder, but this is easier.
Yeah, it's very easier. I love the viewfinder.
If you want to feel like a pro, go ahead. You took that shot great.
And for the sake of the video, I can't do this.
Yeah, we can't do that.
Yeah. So
I could do it for you. So you would basically hold it this way. It's saving battery is what I learned. See, tutorials.
Yes, it has its own.
I didn't break anything. I thought I broke it earlier.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So you take it. You just squint one eye, come out this way, point, shoot, or having it on.
There you go.
Yeah, it helps you figure out what you're about to take a picture of.
Yeah. So we're gonna pick a random item to take a picture of. What do you want?
Cardboard right there. There we go.
That's not cardboard. That's the piece of my neighbor's fence.
That's a piece of your neighbor's fence.
Yeah. But
I should go stand there.
The perfect item. Let's walk over here. Be careful because there's a big dragonfly flying right now.
Well, see, our model has left us. What happens with models?
So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this fence.
So you're gonna come behind me.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go back behind her.
So this is what. Okay, wait. So if I was to say, I would go with what he showed me. I don't need to see anything. I just need to get my picture together. And I'm gonna check to make sure I have this on auto, so I don't have to do any of the focusing. I don't need anything else. I don't have to press anything else. I'm not zooming in, exiting out. If I did, the camera would do it for me. I don't even touch nothing.
Yep.
So I just want to figure out what about this photo I want to take a picture of. And I think I just like how this looks in general. So let me see if I can get you guys to see it.
Yep.
I like this. So I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
And it was that simple. I liked it. It's not censored, but I like it.
Yeah. And so also, you know, because she did it kind of fast, so we're gonna do it one more time. You want to just hold it and focus it until it turns green, and then he hit that beat, and then you just snap.
Oh, look, it's scented now.
Yeah. So that was to review. You press the play button. There you go. Yeah. It has the Wi-Fi options. It has like the ISO, which is the light adjustment. It has a bunch of options that you can mess around with. But for basic use, that was basic use of the camera.
I ain't there yet.
But she will be. So this is just, you know, as soon as you take it out the box, this is just what you can do as far as like getting the pictures going. You know what I mean? So that's the end of this.
And then if you're shooting a person, that will be inserted later.
Yes.
I'll be the person, but
yeah,
you'll insert this later.
We can do you right quick if you want to. We're 7 minutes, so we're still here.
Okay, so here we go. This is how you shoot me. I'm just gonna turn this around. Here, me now.
Yeah. So
I'm standing. Right now I'm in between low light. So guys, he showed me low lighting.
Yes.
Nothing but light.
And
so right now,
half and half right now.
I'm half and half. So I'm gonna just swivel this around real quick. Selfie mode. Hey. Half, and I have a hat on, so my face is already in the shadow.
Yes, she's literally like half and half.
So hopefully that was visible.
Lemonade iced tea.
So is there anything that they need to know for portraits? With that camera specifically?
So when it comes to portraits, what you really want to do, especially if you're outside, you want to focus on the person's face. That's the important part of the picture when you're doing portraits. Full bodies, that's different, but since we're doing portraits, we're going to focus on the person's face and also their, as much upper body as we can get in a good focus. You know what I mean? And to keep it basic, because this is the basic part of it.
Basic.
Yeah.
I'm not there yet.
Yeah, right. So what I want to do is, I want you to bring the camera like this. No, not you, the camera. No, you come back.
I'm trying to get it all together, so.
Oh yeah. No, I'm just saying, like you come back this way.
Okay.
Yeah, and you just hold the camera off to the side. Just make sure it's still on you.
Multitasking, y'all.
Yeah.
Multitasking.
Yeah. So, what I would do is, you will point the camera. It's going to automatically detect her face. I like to do it twice just to be safe. And then once you hit that beat, boom.
All right, so I'm not gonna be here, y'all, but pretend I'm standing there. So he's gonna show y'all what he did again.
Yeah. So that's
my face.
That's the picture, as you can see.
Oh, I'm cute.
Yes, it's kind of dark, but
because my hat's in the shadow.
Yeah, so that's.
But I like it.
Yeah.
So I just wanted you to. Can you show the people how you let it focus?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna pretend I'm there for a second.
Yeah. So just pretend she's there. So this is what you do. This is the shoot button, and this is the focus button as well. You want to hold this down halfway.
Set it until you hear.
Yes, halfway. Oh, well,
Come around.
Yeah, you're in the way, so it's not good.
No, I just wanted to make sure. So that's the holding. And then you said halfway, it's focusing. It's pretending I'm there, y'all.
And then once it locks on, you press it down the rest of the way.
You said wait till it turns green. If your camera doesn't have a green, because I think some of them don't. It's the noise will let you know.
Yeah.
Well,
they all
something have something on it.
They all turn green though.
And
at least all Canons turn green.
Yeah, and that's basics, y'all. It's like that's where I'm at. Okay.
Yeah.
He'll teach more when I progress.
Yes.
I'm not there yet.
Yeah. So we could do intermediate videos, and then it's a progress.
I'm better behind the camera, not holding it.
She's better in front of the camera.
No, I'm not.
She'll be equal by the time we're done.
I can help with posing. I can help with styling. Or I can't style, but
Style.
No, I can't do like hair and makeup and stuff. Like okay, as a beginner photographer, because I'm not there yet, I don't even focus on that. Would you say somebody should, if they were wanting to do portraits, like make sure they had someone who did hair, makeup, styling
You don't
clothes.
have to do it like that. It's inside of a studio maybe, but you're just outside and no.
Chilling with your friends.
Yeah.
Okay, because I don't.
It's so simple.
However, it's like my friends are, that's kind of what I do.
Right.
I'll take that because I wanted to know. Because I'll be like, oh, I don't have a stylist, this, that, and the third, or a makeup artist. Sometimes like I think I told one person like, hey, just wear something and chill.
Right. It doesn't matter.
Or you can wear something like this.
Yeah.
Get your best wig, y'all. And just be super casual. Your best wigs. See your best wigs.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
You
yeah.
gotta be, or if you do want it, I say the beauty supply store is the best place to get like wigs.
Okay.
Dollar stores sells clothes. You can get costumes.
Yeah. Literally
I
costumes
mean,
too.
if that's the type of stuff you want to do,
Yeah.
costumes. Or if you got friends who cosplay, easier. Best, I think. Okay, my tip: if you have friends who cosplay, hang out with them all the time. You'll have endless content.
Always. I need friends that cosplay. That's what I'm
I
looking
don't
for.
cosplay all the time, y'all. So
Yeah.
and I don't live here,
Right. She lives
so he
far
doesn't
away.
get to do all of that. We'll try to do more, but I don't live here.
Yeah. So I definitely kidnap her when she does be here, as y'all can see today. But this will end this video. Thank you.
That's my post for the end of this video.
Yes. Thank you for being my quasi-photographer and my model. Appreciate you. Oh, do you want to plug your YouTubes, even though you're not quite active at the moment?
No, because I'm never active.
Yeah.
You can if you want to, but I won't.
Okay.
I'll plug
Silly.
my art Instagram.
Yeah, do that.
That's m.m.k1. No, W1. There we go.
Yeah. Her artist file, y'all. That's booming at the moment. Even when
That I post on
Yeah,
frequently.
that's booming. So yeah.
It's mmkw1 with dots and blitzing.
And y'all know this is Teddy B. Blackman. And we out.